In this activity, as part of the Bias and Prejudice unit, you will be looking at the objective here is to facilitate productive conversations about race and racism in the United States. And we're going to be using an NPR radio broadcast with a question and answer with a museum curator on some of the artifacts at the National Museum of African American History. So you're going to anticipate that this is going to take you about 25 to 35 minutes. If you are in school, I want you to wear your headphones because you are going to click on this link and then you are going to listen to the 7-minute
This metal would rub
presentation.
against their legs, and they were
When you are done with that, you're going to go back and you are going to look at what discussion group you are in. In this year, you are only in one discussion group. Some years you are in two discussion groups. So make sure that you check where your name is and how many times it may be listed. Then you are going to go to the next activity where you are going to respond to the discussion that you are responsible for only. So, one, you will read the discussion post or prompt, and then you will respond to the questions according to your assigned group only. Once everybody in your group, your discussion group, has done step one, you are going to go back and reply to two classmates' posts in your assigned discussion group only as well. So, you need to get step one done so everybody can do step two. So here is one of the discussion posts. You can see that there's basically three different questions within one prompt. Make sure that everything is professional, well written, spelling properly, and put a lot of thought into it, using examples when necessary, referring back to the NPR broadcast, and then as equally insightful responses to your classmates' posts. I don't want you to just post and say, yes, I agree. I don't agree with you. I challenge you to find something you don't agree with or something you may have a little bit different view and write about that. So there are four discussion groups. Again, you are only responsible for the one that your name is listed by. And although these are shorter prompts, they have the same amount of questions to go into them. So everything should be a good paragraph or more in your responses. That is your assignment for this part of Biased and Prejudice.